So maybe you will have a term like quadrilateral, right? No line of symmetry in one quadrilateral. So rhombus, sorry, parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which you are having zero line of symmetry. Then two lines of symmetry. In rectangle, we are having two lines of symmetry. Okay. Then next is rectangle. Sorry. Next is rhombus. So in rhombus, as you know, all sides are equal. So two lines of symmetry we are having. And you are having rhombus. This is the shape of rhombus. Okay. And one more shape of rhombus we are having, this one. Okay. So in this two, uh, diagonally, okay, diagonally they are symmetric. Diagonally they are symmetric. In this also, vertical line of symmetry. And this one is horizontal line of symmetry. Okay. Then in square, as you know, square all sides are equal. Okay. And you can apply line of symmetry in square vertically, then horizontally, then diagonally. Okay. So four lines of symmetry are there in a square. This is a rough diagram. Okay. You can uh, you can construct a square by using scale and simply apply symmetric lines, line of symmetry. Then kite shape. In kite shape only one line of symmetry is there. So now if you are having questions in exercise like uh, name a quadrilateral with zero line of symmetry. So the correct answer is parallelogram. Okay, and you have to draw shape. Then name a quadrilateral in which you are having only one line of symmetry. So kite. Then name a quadrilateral in which you are having two lines of symmetry. So in two you are having rectangle and rhombus also. Okay, then name a quadrilateral in which you are having four lines of symmetry. So that is square. Then name in which you are having only one line of symmetry again. So you can write isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Clear? Then some more examples, some more figures are given to you in page number 192. Okay. And as you can see, the line of symmetry over there, and they are dividing the particular figure. Okay. Then what about circle? In a circle, infinite number of symmetry lines are there. Then what about semicircle? In semicircle only one line of symmetry is here. Okay, this is your semicircle and only one line of symmetry you are having like this. Then what about quadrant? This is the quadrant, fourth part. So in quadrant also you are having only one line of symmetry. Okay. So now you can solve exercise 17a. It's very easy and already you have studied about symmetry. So question number 1, don't solve in copy, just solve in book. Then question number 2, alphabets, capital letters. You have to write A to Z. Then in each case, if line of symmetry is possible, then draw the largest number of lines of symmetry. Actually in O, the largest lines of symmetry. Then question number 3, by drawing a freehand sketch, means you can use scale. Then draw in each case line of symmetry if any. अगर होती है तो, स्केलन में तो कोई नहीं होती, फिर भी एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर लेना है, स्केलन बता देना है कि ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर स्केलन ट्रायंगल है एंड देयर आर नो लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री इन स्केलन ट्रायंगल. Isosceles right angle triangle. Now what is this isosceles right angle triangle? Okay, this is your simple right angle triangle, and in this this line of symmetry is not possible. Why? Because these two sides are not equal. Which two sides are? These two sides are not equal. So line of symmetry is not possible. But in isosceles right angle triangle, these two sides are equal. So from there line of symmetry is possible. Okay, so just remember this. Then how we can identify that sides are equal or not? Simply you will have hyphens like this. Okay. Then question number 2 you can 3 you can solve the fourth draw a triangle. Same I haven't explained you in introduction part. Then more than 3 lines of symmetry in a triangle is not possible. Then draw a quadrilateral diagram you have to draw, no? Then draw a quadrilateral. The same I have explained you. Then question number 4, 5 you can solve. Question number 6 and question number 7. In question number 6 and 7, construction of triangle is there. So first you have to construct triangle by using compass. Okay. Then line of symmetries you have to draw. So question number 6 is equilateral triangle, and as you know equilateral triangle all sides are equal, so 3 lines of symmetry will be there. Then in question number 7 2 sides are equal, AB and AC, so isosceles triangle and isosceles triangle only 1 line of symmetry. Okay, so you can solve exercise 17a.